Hi there, welcome back. If you've been trying to figure out the best way to do direct deposit for your contractors, I'm going to show you a software I highly recommend using. It's my favorite software for paying employees and contractors. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can pay your contractors really quickly and easily in this video. So the first thing when you're doing direct deposit with a contractor, you can have them fill out a direct deposit authorization form. And this is how you have them give you the information of their bank account and bank account number. And you want them to fill out this form so that way if there's any error, you've just kind of done your due diligence and you have it documented. Now the software that I'm going to show you will fill out this form automatically. Before you do direct deposit for any contractor, you also want to make sure you have them fill out the W-9 form. This is how you request information, the tax information that you'll need for paying this business or individual come the end of the year. Because at the end of the year, you're going to need to file them a 1099 NEC, non-employee compensation, reporting the total amount you paid them and to the IRS. I have another video showing you exactly how to file that form. However, if you use the software that I recommend in this video, they take care of filing the forms for you. Now, if you only pay one contractor and you don't have any employees, you certainly might want to just do this manually. Have them fill out the W-9 form, have them fill out a direct deposit form, and make direct deposits from your bank account to their bank account. Just do a bank transfer. However, if you end up paying more than one contractor and your business gets going, you really want to make this process easier. And Gusto does a great job of doing this for you. Once you add them to the software, it's going to send them an email having them complete the W-9 and the direct deposit form. It's going to keep copies of this and records of all your payments. And it's going to, again, file those tax forms at the end of the year. It can mail them a copy or it can email them a copy. And yeah, it's a great software. So let's jump in and I'll show you how to use it. So here on their page, pricing, this is their regular plan for employees. So if you use that, that includes contractors, but they also have a plan for contractors only. So they have a promotion. It costs $6 per contractor per month. And you can see that that's for the first 6 months. Then it would be $35 a month as a base amount. When you log in and set up an account in Gusto, it's going to walk you through getting set up, these setup steps. I'm going to walk you through what these steps would look like for paying a contractor. So when you come in under People, Team Members, this is where you can add a team member and you can see everyone that's already been added down here. And you can see we have employee, employee, and a contractor. So this is where you can distinguish how that team member's paid. Okay, so we're gonna click the button in the top right, add a team member. And now we'll put in some information. You know, preferred name is Mandy for Amanda. No one actually calls me Mandy, but this is where under worker type, you can select employee, individual contractor. So if the contractor is an individual or if the contractor is a business. The only difference is with the business, you're going to need to add their business name, you know, example, LLC. And then you can enter an email here and keep this box checked and it will send them an email and invite them to set up their account. This will automatically send them all onboarding paperwork, including the direct deposit authorization form and their W-9, as well as any other specific documents that you elect for the software to send them, like a custom contract for that contractor. Now we can continue filling out details for them. These are some departments. You can set up a department. If you're a small business, you might not need to use any departments, and you can just put their start date. And then we'll click Save and Continue. And now it's going to ask, how are we going to pay them? Are we going to pay them an hourly rate or a fixed dollar amount? There is a time tracking feature in Gusto, so you can ask them to use that, or you can skip over that and just go save and continue. Gusto is going to automatically have your contractor fill out the W-9 form. And Gusto's also going to take care of submitting a Form 1099 for them at the end of the year based on all the payments you made for them. You can also add in specific documents for this contract with this contractor. So that's one thing I like about Gusto, is that it keeps everything in one place, and it's very user friendly and nice for accounting software. Down here we have a document employee handbook that you can include by checking the box. So these are templates that you upload and keep in Gusto, and it's going to offer to send those to any team member when you add them. Now, of course, we don't want the employee handbook because this is a contractor, but you get the idea. So we're going to go save and continue. And the little pig is a constant. Now we're going to review the information we entered and then say yes, add them as a contractor. And now you can see it says invitation sent. And you can see that's checked off, and we have onboarding in progress, onboarding complete. Now, if you filled out the paperwork in paper, you just have them fill out a W-9, you can cancel self-onboarding by clicking these 3 dots and clicking there, and you'll be able to fill out the form yourself. Okay, so next, for actually paying contractors in here, once you have the team members added and their paperwork filled out, you'll go down to pay and then pay contractors. And so here we can go create a payment. And in here, we can update. If we've already set up the contractor to pay them, they'll be listed here, and we can simply enter the payment amount, number of hours, that hourly rate will be here. You can see upload CSV here. If you have a lot of contractors, Gusto can accommodate that. For Lewis here was fixed pay. So we'll go ahead and say that we need to pay him $2,000 direct deposit, and it was for invoice 123. And then we'll go continue. Then you just click submit payment, and that's that. Then the contractor will be paid through direct deposit. If you head down on the left to reports, you can come in here, scroll down, 1099 tax forms. This is where you can see those tax forms. You can also see your contractor payments. I started typing contractor. You can see it comes up right here, contractor payments, where you can go through and see the details in a report. Okay, so that's all for how to pay your contractors using Gusto, the software that I recommend the best out of all the payroll and direct deposit softwares for contractors. You can use my affiliate link and you'll get a Visa gift card back. Depending on the plan you register for will determine the amount, and I get an amount as well in a gift card, which supports me in making videos to help you out. Also, you can like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below the video. I'd love to hear your questions. You can also check out my Paying Workers and Owners course if you're interested in more details on how to pay employees and how to pay yourself as a business owner. That course is super awesome, and I teach you how to do things manually or in Gusto. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.